Okay, inside the gearbox you have 3 shafts. Each shaft has 2 things on it. And what you're going to do is reverse that. This has a gear and a spacer, this has a gear and a smaller gear, and this has a spacer and a gear. What you're going to do is you're going to take each of those things out of the gearbox and reverse it, and then put it back together. And the whole point of this is to reverse the main shaft, so you put it in the other way. So instead of the spacer then the gear, you put a gear in first, then a spacer. Since the small gear is now in, you can put this gear in. You have to line up with the keyway. And turn it so it lines up with that gear. Then you can drop the small gear on this shaft. At this point you could go ahead and grease all that. So now you'll put your shaft in. This gear backwards. Put the spacer on first instead of the spacer on top. And that's it. You just have to make sure your keyways stay in the gears, because the gear holds the keyway in and the case holds the gear in. And once you're done, you go ahead and button it up. Now if you've already used it with the shaft out of the front, you may have to file off burrs off of the shaft to put it together. And now the shaft is coming out of the rear. You put your bolts back in. And you've got your reverse mounted gearbox.